Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store no internet connection on iPhone. So the first thing, open your settings, make sure that the airplane mode is turned off. If it's on, just turn it off. Then go to your internet connection from here. And if you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to mobile data. And if you are using mobile data, just switch it to Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, go to your iCloud profile here, click on it, then scroll down and then click sign out, then sign in again into your iCloud account. Then if this also doesn't work, the last thing you can do is go here to the search bar and search for reset network. Then click on reset network settings here, then click reset, then click on reset network settings and then follow the prompt. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.